So, Thanksgiving first started in Canada and United States. So it is a way of thanking God. People meet and greet each other, spend time with their loved ones, but they also want to thank the Almighty for whatever blessings they have received, the food that they are eating, the harvest that they had last year, okay, by which they are able to live comfortably.
All, let's understand the significance of Thanksgiving.
Of the Church of England. And anyone who disagreed with the King's Church and wanted to pray their own way could be sent to jail.
This group of people wanted to free the Church of England.
Now, I would love to hear from you. What are you most thankful for in your life? Okay, quickly
Ma'am,
write
I'm
in the chat.
thankful for that my mother and father always bought me everything in the world, and this is a big thank you for them that they bought me in Japan. It's a big thank you.
Okay, great.
So, yes, what do you understand by gratitude?
Does gratitude mean thanking someone?
You are thankful to someone. Very good. So, when you are showing gratitude, it means you are thankful to someone.
Thank you. Thanks to wonderful teacher, parents, and God, I am thankful to everything. Thanksgiving Day.